Okay, well what I'll do, I just want to show you that this machine hasn't been started today, although it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The manifold is totally cold. There's the details of the engine. You can see it's all in reasonably tidy. When I got it from Walsh Murders, and they'd obviously done quite a bit of reconditioning on it. They'd certainly done up the outside of it. Here's the winch. I do have the cables, new cables for the winch. I just haven't put them back on yet, but it does work. I can show you that. There are no oil leaks. All the fluid levels in the gearbox and transmission are all up to the right level. I'll show you the engine oil. I'll show you in the filler cap. So there's our dipstick, the oil on the dipstick. There's the filler cap. No sludge or anything in the bottom there. No, I haven't just wiped it out. I don't know whether you can actually see in the bottom of there, but there's no sludge or anything. I'll start it up. So this is starting from cold. I'm going to stop it there only because I don't want to make too big a file. So this is the seat. The seat's all in good condition. That little pedestal there, that's where the control for the winch control goes, which I'll put back on. It's been running for about 3 or 4 minutes now, so you can see how responsive the hydraulics are straight away. Just go for a little drive. Steers both ways, no problem. winch works in both ways. Like I say, I've got those cables